Let us do question 5. An organization selected 2400 families at random and surveyed them to determine a relationship between income level and the number of vehicles in a family. Now, as you see in the first line itself, organization selected 2400 families at random. What this 2400 will be? This will be total number of trials. Everywhere in the question itself, you will be able to get your total number of trials. Here it is 2400. The information gathered is listed in the table below. There is a table in which first column is monthly income in rupees. Next will be vehicles per family. Now let us understand this table. There are families who have monthly income less than 7,000 rupees. Now from this type of families, the families who have 0 vehicle, they are 10. The families who have 1 vehicle, they are 160. The families who have 2 vehicles, they are 25. The families who have above 2 vehicles are 0. Next, there are families whose income is between 7,000 to 10,000 rupees. The families who have 0 vehicle are 0. The families who have 1 vehicle are 305. The families who have 2 vehicles are 27. The families who have above 2 vehicles are 2. Same way, the families who have monthly income between 10,000 to 13,000 and who have 0 vehicle are 1. Who have 1 vehicle are 535. Who have 2 vehicles are 29, and who have above 2 vehicles are 1. The families whose monthly income is between 13,000 to 16,000 and 0 vehicle are 2, 1 vehicle are 469, 2 vehicles are 59, above 2 vehicles are 25. And the last, the families who have monthly income for 16,000 or more, 0 vehicle, that is 1 family. Who have 1 vehicle, they are 579. Who have 2 vehicles are 82, and who have above 2 vehicles are 88. So this is the information given for 2400 families. Now let us see what to find. Suppose a family is chosen. Find the probability that the family chosen is earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicles. Now let us see what it is. Now it is between rupees 10,000 to 13,000. In first column, where it is this 10,000 to 13,000. So first we will see this line. Then what is asked? Exactly owning 2 vehicles. That means this is 0, 1 and this is for 2 vehicles. So related to this, we will see where it is. This is 10,000 to 13,000 and exactly owning 2 vehicles. Already we have our number of trials. There are 2,400 families, and for this event, the number of trials in which event happened, that is 29. So answer for first will be 29 divided by total number of trials, they are 2,400. So it will be 29 divided by 2,400. Let us write it. We have formula of probability. Then for first, number of families earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and having 2 vehicles are 29. And we have to find probability of having exactly 2 vehicles. So number of trials in which event happened, it is 29, and total number of trials are 2,400. So this is the probability of first. Now let us see second. Second is earning rupees 16,000 or more per month and owning exactly one vehicle. Now in this column where it is 16,000 or more and owning exactly one vehicle. This column is for 0 and this column is for one vehicle. According to 16,000 we will see where it is. This is the column for one vehicle. So what are the number of families who have exactly one vehicle? 579. So this will be number of trials in which event happened divided by total number of trials, which are 2400. Now let us write. Number of families earning rupees 16,000 or more and having exactly one vehicle are this many. So the probability will be number of trials in which event happened 579 divided by total number of trials, they are 2400. In the beginning of the sum we have already written formula in the beginning of the sum. So this formula we will not write again. In one sum once we will write the formula. Remember, in one sum this formula must be there one time. So in the beginning we have written, now for all different things we will not write. So this is probability of number 2, 579 divided by 2400. Let us see number 3. The families earning less than rupees 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle. In the first column, where is the number of families having less than 7,000? This first. So, according to this information, we will look for other things. Does not own any vehicle. Does not own any vehicle means zero vehicle. Where it is this first column for zero vehicle. How many families have zero vehicle? 10. So, this will be our number of trials in which event happened divided by total number of trials, which are 2400. Let us write. Number of families earning less than 7,000 per month and does not have own any vehicle, they are 10 families. So probability of no vehicle will be 10, that is total number of trials in which event happened divided by total number of trials are 2400. 0 get cancelled. So we are left with 1 divided by 240. This is about number 3. Next, number 4 is earning rupees 13,000 to rupees 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicles. Now, in the first column, let us see where is this. Here it is, 13,000 to 16,000. And according to it, we have to find who have more than 2 vehicles. This column gives us above 2. That means more than 2 vehicles. So according to this information, we have 25 families who have more than 2 vehicles. So this is number of trials in which event happened divided by total number of trials. They are 2400. So 25 divided by 2400. Let us write. Number of trials of more than 2 vehicles, they are 25. The families who are earning rupees 13,000 to 16,000 per month and having more than 2 vehicles are 25. So probability will be number of trials in which event happened 25 divided by total number of trials 2400. If you divide this, you will get 1 divided by 96. 96 into 25, you will get 2400. So this is probability for number 4. Now let us see number 5. Owning not more than 1 vehicle. Now this you need to understand very well. Owning not more than 1 vehicle. That means it should not be more than 1. That means here we will consider the families who have 0 vehicle and the families who have 1 vehicle. Here we need to include one vehicle. Why? Because it is asked not more than one. That means one has to be included. So we will take 0 vehicle and 1 vehicle. Now here you see in all other 4 questions the earning limit is given. Now in the 5th one it is not given. What does this mean? We have to take all the families. So we will not select any one monthly income range. We will add all. Why? Because here it is not mentioned. We need to find probability of the families who have not more than one vehicle. That means who have 0 vehicle and who have 1 vehicle. So we will add this and we will find. Now in the table you see the families who have 0 vehicle are how many? This many. So we will add all this number. Similarly, the families who have 1 vehicle. How many families are there? This many. Whole column. So we will add this and this both. And then we will find the probability. Let us write it. Number of families owning not more than 1 vehicle, that will be equal to number of families having 0 vehicle plus number of families having 1 vehicle. In the column of 0 vehicle, the numbers are given that we will add, which are 10 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 and plus 1. Number of families having 1 vehicle, that also we will add up. So from the textbook we will write 160 plus 305 plus 535 plus 469 plus 579. Now we will add this all. If you will add this, you will get 14. And this addition will be 2148. Addition of the two will be 2062. This will be our number of trials in which event happened. Now we will find probability. So, the probability P of number of families does not have more than 1 vehicle, that will be equal to number of trials in which event happened, which it is 2062 divided by total number of trials, which are 2400, total number of families. Now, if you will simplify this further, this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. You will get answer 1031 divided by 1200. So this is answer for probability of the families does not have more than 1 vehicle. This is answer. Here we completed question number 5. Thank you.